Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Physics 2017, which goes thus. The pressure of a gas at constant volume is 110 centimeters mercury at 37 degrees Celsius. Calculate the pressure at 77 degrees Celsius. We may have to apply the law or the gas law, which states that the pressure of a given amount of gas held at constant volume is directly proportional to the Kelvin temperature. Okay, and with this we can derive the equation which says P is equal to constant temperature, and if we have K, that is constant, at constant volume, we have P over T. And with this, we can also derive that P1, the forced pressure, to the ratio of T2, that is the ratio of P1 to T1, is equal to the ratio of P2 to T2. With this, we can derive the second pressure. Okay, but first let us get the values as given in the question. For P1, we were given as 110 centimeter mercury. Okay, then for P2, which is unknown, that is what we are looking for. Then for T1 we're given as 37 degrees, but at Kelvin temperature we need to add 273, and that will give us 310 Kelvin. Okay, then for second temperature, which we have at 77 degrees Celsius, if we were to add the 273 to convert it to Kelvin temperature, we have 350 Kelvin. Okay, so now let us impute the values accordingly. Alright, so for P1 we have 110 over T1, which is 310, equals P2 over 350. So if we cross multiply, we have P2 equals 110 times 350 to be divided by 310. Let us quickly use a calculator to get this. Alright, so we have 110 times 350, okay, to be divided by 310, and this will give us 124, approximately 124 to whole number centimeter mercury. Okay, so the answer option A is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.